trying to teach you. See, they're in here in the living room with the big cats. Yeah, they hiss at you. Big cats are hissing at you in there. Stay in the pen right here. It's clean. That was clean earlier. I vacuumed it. There's food in here. See the food and water. Yeah, water, food, place to sleep. Yeah, don't jump up there, little jumper. Look at her, I'm trying to eyeball it already. Yeah, move things around so you're in the litter box trying to jump. Yeah. Hopefully it'll slow you down. Yeah, sister missed you. Sister missed you. Look at that. She's loving on you and you're not even paying attention. Sister, oh, you guys were thirsty. That's what you was crying in the house for. Water. Yeah, the water's in the bathtub. You gotta jump up in there to get it. Yeah, you're good. They got the tuna. Okay. You were hungry, weren't you? Yeah. Sister too. Well, there's enough for two in there. Let her get in there. Yeah, there you go. Tuna fish. You having your dinner too? Okay, I'll say don't forget about you.